Okay, today I'm here to give a review on the Done For You Magic Themes Accountability Program. It is part of the Done For You Magic Themes pre-built websites. In the accountability program, we have an agency website pre-built. Now what we're doing is we're going through the steps of installing it to updating the SEO content, the SEO for the images, and really basically what this is, it's like a master class that it's step by step. They tell you exactly what you need to do and why you need to do it. It just has given me the ability to learn so much more about a build and what you really need to get it to rank. And that's why I say it's a master class, because Robert and Stephen hold nothing back. They never do. With other people in the program as well, we're all coming up with these just really great questions that I always had on how to build a website. How do I rank it? How do I get it to stay there? And what do I need to do it? Well, this accountability program is exactly that. And I say it's a masterclass because I've never been part of a program that actually goes step A to Z without costing $10,000. I don't have that kind of money, and that's why I'm here. I'm learning how to do this so I can make that kind of money. And I think it's an incredible program. I've learned so much. Every day I learn, and that's just the brilliance of it. You learn so much about building a website, getting it to rank, but then there's other questions you have, social media, YouTube, stuff like that. What do you do to get on there to rank? You know, the questions that we all ask kind of take us out into those outer questions. And it's just, we get these great answers, and it just builds levels of my education to make me stronger, more confident to go forward. And so if I had to say the one program that you really need to be involved in if you want to build websites, rank them and rank and rent or sell them, the Done For You Accountability Program is the one. I say it helps all levels because there's so much you can learn from it. It really is the one class that gives you an A to Z approach, leaves nothing out, and you'll never look back. You have to take accountability. You have to ask the questions. It's the only way you're going to learn. You have to take action. And a big thing is you have to stop buying the shiny objects. And that was my big problem. I know I'm not the only one, but I've stopped it, and I have put my focus on this program. I can already see. I understand so much more today than I ever have. And it's because of what Robert and Stephen, the education that they share in this accountability program. If you're looking to do something to finally get to that next level without being bombarded with, you buy package A, but, to really get the knowledge, you got to buy the bundle. The bundles are, everywhere now. This is the program. You will not be sorry. I'm excited every day to get on here and learn more and take action. I say it's a master class. It's a master class at, with just a great group of people. And I can't give higher regard than 5 stars. It's absolutely spectacular. I recommend it highly. Thank you.